Alright guys, if you guys see, I'm going to cut out these two pieces, and this is going to be a long wrap dress, but I might actually do it as a beautiful, yes, it's a wrap dress, but I'm going to cut these two pieces out, and that will be my back on a fold, and that'll be those two pieces. Alrighty. Guys, here is another way that you guys can wear the dress. So you would take this part of the dress where the sleeve, you would tuck the sleeve in, guys, and pull it this way and pull it in and pull it down, crisscross, and then crisscross this side so you can have a sweetheart side and then a sleeve side, guys. So you can pull it down and tie it in and make it look like another dress as well. So this is another option that you can do, guys, with this dress. Alrighty then, guys. So thank you guys so much, and as always, God bless. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is what I made so far. So right now I just got it like as a sort of like a big oversized cape like thing. It's other things that I want to make. I just pinned it right here because I was going to make it out of a wrap dress, but I think that I like those big like cape coats, and you just put them on and they be, you know, really cute with a nice dress or something under it. So this is what it looks like so far, guys, and I'll show you guys when I got another piece that I want to make with it. But if I make it as a wrap dress, then I couldn't just drape it over my shoulders, so I didn't add the tassels on it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, and you can also, you know, crisscross it and wear it as a wrap dress. So, but like I said, I don't know if I want to have this as an oversized cape robe type thing. So I haven't added the tassels, but you can even add the tassels or add a brooch on each side and wear it also as a wrap dress. But I'm undecided though. Alrighty guys, bye-bye. Okay guys, there's multiple ways you can do this dress. You can do it as a dress, as an oversized robe, or cape coat. There's multiple ways that you can do this. If you don't cut it down to a smaller size, you can transform it to multiple different ways. Thank you.